Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship. We'll be picking a different card from another deck. And for your career situation, this is the card. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Seven of Swords in reverse, Ace of Swords in reverse, and Two of Swords in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are in some kind of a difficult situation. You are in some confusion. You don't know what is the right thing. Maybe some circumstances are quite difficult for you to handle, and maybe if you can be a little patient, things would have been different, Sagittarius. So it may be the case in your career or it may be the situation in this relationship. So maybe for some of you, the circumstances you are seeing today, you are the reason for it, or it may be your person. Maybe the words they spoke or the way they behaved are the reason for this situation, reason for this difficulty you are seeing today. Maybe this person is thinking of moving away or they are not talking to you. So there is some kind of a confused state you are in. You don't know what is their mind, what is in their mind or what they are thinking today. They are not telling you. And maybe for some of you, you feel that this person cannot be trusted. That may be the reason you have spoken those words or you behave this way. Maybe because you feel that you cannot trust them the way they are. And this person is neglecting you. They are neglecting whatever you are telling them. Maybe you are truthfully concerned about this person and you are honest. You are concerned about their welfare. That is the reason you are speaking those words. But this person is not listening to you. They have no intention of listening to you. And they have certain people they like who just speak according to their mind and they want to listen to them or listen to their suggestions. So this person is avoiding you. They are avoiding you because they cannot listen to you. They cannot listen to your advice. And they it may be a good advice you are giving them, but they are in no state to listen to your ideas or listen to your suggestions. So this person is not truly in love with you. This person does not have that heartfelt commitment with you. maybe this relationship is not built on true love. That is what I see. So we will see what is the oracle guidance for you all, Sagittarius. It's peace. Peace in your relationship. It just means that just like two instruments playing together, there is harmony, balance, that perfect alignment. And this is a very auspicious card in a reading, guys. Sagittarius. Maybe there may be a time when this peace will flower in this relationship. Or if you feel that this is not the time for peace, calmness, and a beautiful understanding, you need to find that harmony and balance within yourself. Do not try to find it in this relationship. Do not look for certainty outside. And understand that even this situation will change for the better. So that is the energy here with this card. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. It's initiate of moons. So in your career, maybe you may have someone who just guides you in the wrong way. Maybe they are trying to cheat you or trick you into some choices you should not make. So Sagittarius, if you are making important decisions, you must be really careful today. So that is the energy here. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the Goose Girl. I hope you can see the card. Theft. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, your identity is being stolen or you have been wronged in a very bad way. Something of yours has been stolen. But you need to understand that your uniqueness and what is truly yours can never be stolen from you. Though it may look like you have lost something, in truth you have not lost it. It is a part and a parcel of your being, the truth about yourself, your true characters, your true nature. It can never be copied because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And maybe you are facing some problems because of this, but justice will always happen. Truth will unfold in your life very soon. Truth can never be hidden for a long time and it will be revealed very soon in your situation. And you are being protected and you are being cared for, but you don't know it yet. You may feel lost, a little lonely. You may feel lost away from the people you love, people who have cared for you. But this hardship is coming to an end, and whatever injustice has been done to you is ending very soon. And you need to understand that truth will always prevail. So you need not worry. truth about you, truth about your circumstance is coming out very soon. And whatever cruelty or jealousy is done to an innocent person will never harm them, it will just go back to the doer. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that justice can never be thwarted. It will always unfold and truth will always prevail. So that is the energy here. So maybe you have been wronged, or maybe if you have wronged someone, you should make amends if you have done something wrong to someone. If you have tried to copy them, or if you have tried to take away what is truthfully theirs, you must mend your ways. Or if something bad has happened to you, or someone has done something bad to you, you need not worry. What is rightfully yours will always come to you. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have the impossible made possible. So in our hearts, we will be dreaming of big dreams, and we ourselves, we will feel that it is something, it's too big, or it is too much to imagine, or it is too unreal to manifest in our life. But there is nothing wrong to dream, and there is nothing impossible for that divine power to make it happen. So we need to have that belief in that divine power, in that higher power. So all that is holding us back from achieving these dreams are our thoughts of that lack of belief, that lack of belief in the higher power's power to unfold such dreams in our life. So our mind is the reason for us to be like this. So when we are truly passionate, when we yearn for such beautiful dreams to unfold in our life, there is nothing to stop us. And at that right time, what we passionately wish for ourselves and what we truthfully wish for ourselves will definitely unfold in our life. With that divine help, that dream will unfold, and this card means a blessing is coming your way, and this is it will be like the sweetest water quenching the thirst of our soul. So just like that, whatever we are really passionate about and whatever we yearn for, so that dream is waiting to unfold with that divine blessings. But all we need to do is have that belief in our heart. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, so that is the reading for you all today with these cards. Guys, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.